Our 1985 Honda Aero 50 has stopped running. Because I know there's been some rust in the gas tank before, I'm suspicious that the fuel filter is clogged up with rust. So see if we can get a shot here a little bit. You can see the rust in there. So I am going to take the tank apart here, pull out the fuel petcock in the bottom and the fuel filter and see how things look, and then try to use some of this Evapo-Rust in the tank and roll it around for a couple days and see if that clears it up, because I've seen some good reviews for that. Got the gas tank removed here, mostly 10mm nuts. There was one 8mm. Got the fuel filter here, and see quite a bit of gunk in there. So I'm going to go ahead and run the Evapo-Rust through here for a bit and see what becomes of that. Trying to get a sense of what kind of rust we got going on here. Quite a bit. So hoping we see some good results with the Evapo-Rust. We'll try to get this on video, but I am just blown away by that. Let's see here. I mean, just virtually no rust left in the gas tank here where it's been soaking. Super duper impressed. Excited to try this on some other things. I will say there was probably some around the top edges here, and I don't really notice it as much, but the paint did kind of crinkle up here and melt off of a couple of these mounting points. Not sure if that was from Evapo-Rust sitting that got spilled in the tray or something else, but not a huge deal. Very excited that the rust is no longer in the tank.